Hi, welcome back to Kirk's Bees, home of Jack's honey. I would normally do this out in the bee yard, but it is currently 106 degrees outside, almost 107. And today we got something new. We got a digital inspection endoscope. Okay, what we got here is a digital inspection endoscope. Just came in today. I haven't even opened the package, so I have no idea whether we'll be able to turn it on and look, or just what's inside it. I have no idea. I'm taking that means that it might be a little bit leak proof, waterproof. Has LEDs and a USB. Very good. Video, take pictures, 80 pixels, and an SD card. So, or TF card is what it says. So, let's just open it up and see what we got. Okay. I've noticed everybody else seems to comment on the packaging. The packaging is just packaging. Yeah, I've never really quite understood that. So if I don't comment on the packaging, then you'll know why. The point is the object is what's in the box, not the box. Thank you for your order. Okay. Not looking into marketing. Okay, let's see what's in this little baggie. So I can't see through it, so it draws my attention, you know. USB cord. Ooh, micro USB. Okay. I prefer Type C because I run Android, but that's okay. I'm good with that. Is all this connected? All that's connected. Cool instructions. Cool. Might need that. Yes, I know I should read the instructions first. It might make things go a little bit smoother. But that's one that on the list of smart things that people do, and while I'm not always the smart. Ooh, hey, I like this idea. Okay, you got some screw-on bands. Then you have a hook. Okay, that's interesting. You could pull it through things. Okay. And this looks like, I'm going to test this. Oh. Didn't think I'd be using this. Magnet. That could come in handy. I like that idea. Okay, so if you don't want anything, I guess you just put the regular ring on. Protect threads. I dig this. I did not know this was even going to be in here. That is a mirror, so you can look around the corner and take a really good look. Ooh, I'm falling in love with this already. Let's get married. No, don't run away. Okay, apparently there's a particular way that you're supposed to put this stuff in here. See, I unload things. I never can get it to go back in, but this is a very good... Oh, no. Come out. Good place to store this stuff. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention of how it was packaged in there to begin with. Hey, I got it all back in there. Must be a child-proof lead. I can't get it back on. They child-proof this stuff. Okay. Get the junk out of the way. Alrighty. First off, make sure I got what I actually ordered. Might be a benefit. Yeah. Okay, one of the things that I really wanted to make sure of, because if it doesn't suit our purposes, then it's totally useless. And that's what I really want to know. How flexible is the wire? So if I bend it this way and I want to look around the corner, I can hit something and loop back around. Perfect. Very nice. See little LEDs in there. You know what? I really do want to protect the threads, so I don't screw something up before I even get the chance to actually use it doing a removal or looking inside the hives, working with the bees, etc., etc. Let's just put the thread protector on to begin with. They used to just put these things on and leave it for you to just find. I wonder which way it goes. Does it matter? It went on smoother this way. Okay. Looks like it kind of gets narrower, more narrow on one end. Okay, so that just protects it. Okay, that's all that does is protect it. Nice. Okay, keeps you from running into things and breaking a lens on there. That would suck. This is not unplug, which is also good. Less to lose. Okay. Nice. Should hold up. Secret compartment time. Okay, this is the... Perfect, just like a phone. SD card. So it can actually save stuff, and you can put it into your computer, or you can just plug it right into your computer, I would assume. And that's for the charging. Okay, charged with USB. Perfect. Now, let's just see if it has enough power, because they usually have some power when you first get these things. So we can turn it on and play with it. I mean, test it. Yeah, that's it. Test it. Power. It has power. Cool. Feels like Christmas, don't it? Cool. Hey, that's a good screen. It's fully charged. Oh, I'm in heaven. I'm not going to go up the nose with it, but it's tempting. Hello in there. Goodness, that's bright. Okay. Yeah, forgot. I'm supposed to be checking it out, not just playing with it. Might help, huh? Okay, so you see how I got my phone. Hey, now I can actually show you what we're looking at. Okay, so this is my setup. I just got my phone down to a tripod. That's my new tripod. See, now I can actually show you these things. I found a way to show you these things. Okay, so that's... Now, you're supposed to be able to do... You got a lot of buttons on here. Supposed to be able to do some things with it. Got a menu button, a little arrow. I guess that means like an enter button, a little paper thing. I'm not sure what that is. Up and down. Brightness, camera, okay. Okay. Cycle through how bright you want this to be. Oh, here's okay. So we got the resolution. We got a language, date time, date stamp, brightness, LCD brightness, auto power off, cool, format, that's for the little card thingy, default settings. Version with an ID number. Cool deal. Cool. I like it. This will more than suit my needs. Unfortunately, I'm not sure how to delete pictures of the kitchen. I'm not really going to be recording with it anyway, so... Oh! You hit the little menu button. Protection or delete. Okay. Delete. Oh, cool. I can delete all. There we go. See, I didn't need the directions after all. Proof is in the pudding. Okay, so Velcro, very nice. So that's basically it. That does get a little bit warm on the end. Not bad. Cool. Oh. Press and hold. Okay. Basic key features. Love it. I think we're going to get a lot of usage out of this. We're going to have a lot of fun with this. In fact, I can guarantee it. I'm so tempted to go out there, stick it inside the hive. Just to actually watch the bees. Got something new in. Looked at it. Played with it. I didn't read directions. Nope, not me. Just a little. I don't like to admit it, but I didn't learn nothing. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this short little video, and hopefully after a while we'll get some more stuff in and be able to take a look at it. I'd like to give my shout out to the back porch on Spotify. Seriously, these guys are a right to listen to. There is explicit language, so it's probably not meant for young kids, but the topics just they have a wide variety of topics. These four guys, they're in the United States military, medical. They have 3 in the United States, with 2 in Mississippi, 1 in Alaska, and 1 in Germany. And we thank them for their service, but it's nice that even while they're serving, after they're serving, they get on Spotify, they come together, they put together a great show, something you sit back and listen to and enjoy. Be sure to check them out. They are on Facebook. It's the back porch, all capital letters on each word. Real easy to find. Creech also does go live on there, and you can talk with him, chat with him. I've been on with him, talking with him, just sitting there chatting back and forth. I really highly recommend it. Be sure to get over there and check them out.